Oh dear, it's that time of year. Fall is not only football season, it's also deer season. So we need to be on the lookout when we're on the road. In the United States, 1.5 million drivers hit deer every year. So let's talk about how to make sure it doesn't happen to you. Or if it does, what you should do. First up, around these parts, deer travel in herds. That means when you see one deer, there are more of them nearby. Also, this here is a sign to watch for. They identify areas where there's heavy deer traffic. Be alert when you see one. Dusk and dawn. Those are the times of day when deer are the most active. So don't speed and stay watchful. If a deer jumps out in front of your car, don't swerve. That's how most people get seriously injured. Just brake firmly. If you do hit a deer, here are the 4 steps to follow. 1. Pull slowly to the side of the road. 2. If you're injured, call 911. 3. Stay away from the deer. Just call the police to make a report. 4. If your car is damaged, call your friends at Mimic. Well, hope this helps you steer clear of deer. Until next time. So long, buckaroos.